Hello, everyone. Greetings from the unceded territories of the Duwamish, also known as Seattle. I'm here again to offer some sound medicine for you. My prayer is that the sound and the frequencies that come through will be exactly what you need in this moment to move grief, to feel joy, to have some moments of ease, to be in the knowledge that in this moment, not 2 minutes from now, not 2 minutes ago, but in this moment, all is well. May you rest in the still point of that knowledge. And as I offer this sound, I acknowledge that because I do live in the middle of the city, you will hear traffic sounds. You will hear the monorail passing from time to time. I invite you to let those sounds melt away as you resonate with these sounds. I call upon my ancestors and your ancestors of love and light and healing to be present in this moment. May the sound frequencies that come through the bowl and through my voice be exactly what you need in this moment to anchor an intention, to help to outcreate something, a habit, to amplify healing, rest, ease, release. I invite you to breathe deeply in through your nose and exhale. Bring your awareness into your body. send this with love from apparently a very busy Sunday night in Seattle. May it land well with you.